how to measure hand size for a mouse. So let's get started. So in order to measure the hand size for your mouse, all you have to do is lay your hand flat against a table, desk or countertop. Then find the length of your hand from your wrist to tip of your middle finger. Then determine the width of your hand by measuring straight across your palm. Be sure to clearly label each measurement so you will know which is which at a glance. Your hand's length and width dimensions should be all you need to track down a mouse that feels like if it was made specially for you. Now head to the website of the company that makes the mouse you have been looking for. Once you are there, search for a link that says something like size chart or sizing guide. The provided graphic will give you a better sense of which size will be best for you. See which size is best suited for your measurement. So then, if your hand measurements fall between two of the sizes listed on the chart, most manufacturers advise making your decision based on the thickness of your palm. This is to ensure that your hand hovers at a natural height over the desktop. If your mouse is too short, your fingertips may drag the desktop, which can be distracting and potentially irritating. If it's too tall, it could make your movements feel awkward and unwieldy. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.